Hi everyone, it's Kylie here from GF Oats Australia. Thank you for joining me and welcome to my kitchen. Today I want to share with you our healthy Christmas balls treat. Now this is making these beautiful little Christmas balls using our muesli. So a spice muesli we have, or a chocolate muesli, and all you need to do is add some coconut oil and some dates. So in this particular pack, and the link is in the comments below, you will get these two beautiful muesli packs with a recipe card telling you exactly what to do. Now I've used my trusty Thermomix here, and all I've done is blend the dates and the coconut oil with the muesli into this blend here. It comes out, it looks like that. And all I'm going to do now is roll that into some Christmas little balls. Hey, look at me go. I'm back that fast. Look at these gorgeous little Christmas balls I've just whipped up between my hands. If you want to add in any little flavored liqueurs or anything like that, no judgment here. Merry Christmas, everyone. Enjoy.